Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you're watching this video and when you are watching this video. All right. As you all know, I'm not a food expert, but I'm good in cooking. Yeah. So today, this morning, I want to show you how I make my breakfast. Very simple, very light, and delicious. So I'm going to start with making the plantain. After that, I'm going to make my bread toast and my oatmeal. I want to show you how I make this oatmeal on a microwave, not on the cooking gas. Okay, so stay tuned, watch this video till the end. Let me make my plantain first. All right, let's proceed. I think the weather is very hot. This is just the part two of how I make the bread and egg toast. Okay guys, do you know you can actually do an oats in a microwave for 2 minutes without going to heat it on a fire? Today I'm going to try it. You can actually use milk or water, whichever way you choose to. Alright, so I'm going to boil it for 2 minutes. Make sure you cover it to avoid being busted inside the microwave. Set for 2 minutes. Okay, let's see the outcome of this after 2 minutes. Wash out. Twenty-six, 20, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's ready. Let's see the outcome of this. Okay, shall we open it? Wow. Aw. Actually, before, I don't know you can do this on a microwave. Yeah, I went to the shopping mall to get a oat porridge. So I read on this description, I saw micro that you can microwave it. So today I said let me just try it and see the outcome of it. And honestly, it's just as if you cooked it on the fire. It's just exactly the same. Can you see this? Huh. It's even as thick as. I need to add more milk to it. This is experiment. I love it. Adding my fruits, my grapes. For sure, I'll use grapes. My strawberry. Okay, let me get the camera close. Okay, I've brought the camera close so you see what I'm adding. I'm adding this, what is it called? I think is blackberries. I think so. I don't know. Please, if I do not get it correctly, don't judge me. Don't judge me. Of course, my strawberry. Please, I don't know the name of this. Pardon me. Alright. Then I'm adding my milk. Yeah, this is how I love eating it. If you mind, you can turn yours. If you don't mind, you can leave it like that. This is my breakfast. Um, I need this for my pudding. My plantain. Okay guys, my breakfast is ready. I'm going to the lounge to go and eat. Afterwards, I'll come back and watch the dishes, okay? Hmm. So yummy.